but right now we're stuck in the car. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another video. Guys, before me get into it, please to keep safe on the road. The road is a mess right now. Just to come out of lockdown, gas station full, supermarket full, not only full but nothing left on some of the shelf them. ATM line, bank, everywhere just full. Guys, please to drive safe because it's a rain as well. It's raining so hard, the breeze a blow, the traffic turn up. Guys, be careful please. But right now me and Jess now up on the road. Babe, ready? The light there behind me need to change it. When the whole lockdown over and all of that, me I go get one good bulb put in there. But guys, look at my little hairstyle. My lockdown hairstyle, and I like it. I'm going to go out and show you it. See it? You like it? It's so cute. I love it. It's just simple and nice. So now I don't have my hair for worry about. We're ready now. We're going in the car. When we go in the car, I only don't talk. Your style look nice though. Your hair ripe? Your hair can't eat today? Yes. Your hair can't eat now? Today?
Yeah, look it.
Give me two. Yeah, one can't eat today and then the next one can't eat further down.
Two and two.
Put them one side and I'm going to take some other stuff.
Okay.
Alright. You have tomato?
Yes.
Give me some tomato. I want cucumber. Yeah, give me that. How much that?
What is?
Yeah,
You're right.
How much that?
Three.
3.5?
Have Irish crab?
How much a pound you selling?
What's a 120? Yeah?
Alright.
150 one and nice.
Guys, it's raining so hard. You hear that? 1 pound? I tell you, mommy. They're country girl, you know. If you don't know me, you don't know how much me love my market stuff them.
Granny that.
So,
I'm from here.
the rain fall hard and I have to stop. One garlic too, because when rain fall, I love have extra garlic. You have ginger? Give me some ginger too. Yeah, this is good. Me good with this. Garlic with ginger. And me 2 pear. You sell me pear?
No, see up here.
Oh. Right here. You finished server?
Yes.
So me pear, cucumber, so make me green juice. Give me 1 pound of carrot. I buy carrot to make some stew. Garlic, ginger, onion. I mean that now. I don't want a scallion or no time. I have that already. I have banana.
You get yam, you know.
Oh, I want yam. Yeah, like yam. Yellow yam. Yeah. Give me 2 pounds. I don't want too much yam. Yam always a spoil from me. Alright, so me that you can cash me up now. So give me 1 bag. Yeah, bag? Or you not a bag? You know none? Yeah, I'm pretty. Thank you so much. How you know Angel Baburam. B-A-B-O-O-R-A-M.
Yonja Babora.
Baburam. You can't laugh, nothing wrong. So guys, we did have to come on the road, come sort out something real quick. It was emergency. But right now, we're stuck in the car. I'm showing you. see them people there going on? My God. We made it out. Thank you, God. We're gonna see if we can make our way back in. We did have a company road. As I said, guys, if we don't have a company road, don't go up on the road, trust me. And if you have to do it, please to be careful. When we are come down on the highway, that was so scary, especially when the rain start fall and the mirror, the glass start fog up. Oh my. And if you don't see someone carry a fog up and the fog take long to come off it, please pull over. Nobody say no man, it's gonna come off, man. By the time I've reached down there, so pull over. Guys, trust me, if we don't have to come on the road, please don't. Oh crap. Oh my, one can't stop. Jesus. Yes. It's bad. Oh my. Oh, sorry. Now get it. And then the thing is, we could have leave out if we go up, but at the same time we can't go up yet until we hear from Jason's dad. So guys, we made it home. Jason did end up here from Jesse, you did hear for your father, right? Huh? You did hear for your father? Yeah. Oh, Jason did end up here from him father. And then we could have leave Clarendon if we never hear from him. So I'm happy about that. But guys, the road is a mess. That's just what I'm showing you. It works. I never did want, take up my camera every minute because I never did want to distract Jason while in my drive. We did have to pay attention. Plus, me could have just sit down there for sit down the sake. We did have to I look out at my eye them to say, if we see nothing, I can bring it to him attention. But the rain kind of cooled down. Well, when we leave Clarendon, the rain cooled down. But coming up, it did rain hard. Hopefully the water run off so people can go home and the car them were broke down, them somebody can come pull them out or whatever, cause enough car broke down today. Enough car just shut off in the water. And it is so sad the amount of people were waiting on taxi to go home. Me don't know. I can't understand. Me don't want to say nothing because me don't really know about why them never close certain places. Certain business place earlier. So, them could have get, the worker them could have get to go home before, it get bad. The crowd come down or before, the place start to flood and all of that. I don't know. So all of the people, them were just moving at them house and never experienced heavy rain. I hope I manage, I hope I not have no leak. I'm going to end off my video right now because for the longest while I'm all over the place with the vlog. Guys, I'm so sorry. This vlog is all over the place because when I did go up on the road yesterday, I couldn't even get to record nothing because it was raining just like today. So I never did record much. And then today again, we did have to rush out because we did get one emergency call and the vlog just all over the place. But stay with me. Tomorrow's vlog will be better, I promise. But guys, keep safe. Love you guys so much. Thanks for always supporting me. I'm just happy so we reach home. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 100k. Bye guys.